Ang pag-aaral ay isang mahalagang bahagi ng buhay ng tao. Sa pamamagitan ng edukasyon, natututunan natin ang mga bagong kaalaman at kasanayan na magiging sandigan natin sa hinaharap. Kaya naman isang early childhood school na may dalang inspiring story ang tampok sa ating Negosyo Tayo. Let's all watch this.
Ang early childhood education ay mahalaga sa social and intellectual development ng isang bata. Dahil dyan, isa pong educational institute business ang aming pinuntahan upang alamin ang kanilang sikreto sa successful na negosyo. Hi, Doc. How are you?
Hello, good morning, Diane.
All right, Doc. Can you tell us more about Einstein School for Kids? How did you start this business?
Ay, alam mo, maganda talaga yung may mga friends, colleagues, kasi I've been long in the education industry, Sila ang nag-pressure sa akin na magtayo ng school. So I got my family together and sabi ko, nape-pressure na ako. So one and whole night, nag-workshop kami. I got my friends together, yung mga consultants. So pinakita ko, pina-validate ko yung ang tinatawag ko Einstein Essential and Enriched Curriculum. Why essential? Tinanggal namin yung mga hindi masyadong kailangan.
And balita ko, Doc, ito palang school ninyo is your old house.
Yes. We introduce ourselves as a small school with a big heart and big ideas.
When did you start? How long have you been in the industry?
Oh, good news. Naka-18 years na kami.
Wow, 18 long years.
Only last January 14.
Galing ka ng education industry, but syempre, mahirap pa rin mag-build ng own school.
Pinaka-struggle namin ay yung salary ng teachers. I always tell my teachers, I cannot compete with government. Ang aking return of investment na lang yan, they come back to me and say, Ma'am, promoted ako kaagad. Ma'am, ganito ako chair. Because you trained me.
Ano ba yung masasabi natin na lessons while building the school that you can share with them?
So every time a parent comes to me and says, Mom, di pa ako nakakabayad. Hindi ko pinapabayad. Until it came to a point na, umabot na ng 3 million ang arrears ng mga parents. You need funds to plow back. Diba? That's doing the business. So, naging cost unit instead of revenue unit ang aming school.
Do you think running a school is a good business?
It is. For as long as you have the financial manager to work with you, you should act with speed and accuracy. If there's a problem, agad-agad isolve yan. Create an innovation.
So this is our STEM class. As early as 4 years old, they do science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Kahit small school kami, ay nakikipag-compete kami sa mga big schools. Magandang umaga! Ayan. Our grade 3 classroom, mga capacity nito, mga 20. By the way, we use Singapore math. Ang aming honors ay tinatawag naming honor society. Kaya they are a selected group of students na nag-undergo ng mga training, sumasali sa mga competitions, inter-school competition, yan.
Sabi nga nila, what goes around comes around. Ugaliing gumawa ng mabuti sa kapwa para mabuti rin ang ibabalik nila sa iyo. Yan po ang aral na ibinahagi sa atin ni Dr. Ofelia Viniegas. Another business story at business tips na naman ang ibabahagi namin sa inyo next episode, mga kanegosyo. Kaya naman tara, negosyo tayo!